How to find Cash App barcode to load money. To find the Cash App barcode to load money onto your account, follow these steps. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the banking icon, usually a $, or a bank icon, at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Paper Money under the available deposit options. Cash App will display a barcode that you can use to load cash at participating retail locations. Once you have the barcode, you can take it to a participating store, such as Walmart, Walgreens, or CVS. Inform the cashier that you want to load money onto your Cash App account and show them the barcode. Hand over the cash you wish to deposit, and the cashier will scan your barcode. The money will be added to your Cash App balance almost immediately. Note, a small fee may apply for loading cash via this method. Ensure the barcode is scanned correctly before leaving the store. Thanks for watching.